Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. And tonight we're in Morocco. On the menu is Moroccan chicken tagine. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. The dredge materials for the chicken. Everything in the bowl to dredge. Heating up some oil in a Dutch oven. I add the chicken and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. I pull the chicken and set aside. I add the onions and the ginger and saute for a few minutes. Then I add a little bit of red pepper and some garlic and saute. Then I re-add the chicken and saute some more. Then I add the tomatoes and the stock. After stirring, bring it to a simmer. Then I let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. After the simmer, I add the garbanzo beans, the almonds, and the honey and stir it all together. And I let it simmer from 5 to 7 minutes. The rice is ready. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy this presentation. Have fun cooking.